Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. If you like wine, if you like mead, you like cider, want to learn how to make it for yourself, this is the place for you. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. Today I'm going to continue the next step of a coffee mead, so stay tuned. Hi, this is a step 2 of a coffee mead that I made about a month ago. If you want to learn how the first step, there'll be a card coming down right about here. So here is a 1 gallon of a coffee mead. I made this, and this is never made one before, and I thought it'd be awesome. So this is a 1 gallon in a 3 gallon bucket, and so I like to start mine in plastic, then transfer them over to a secondary, which is glass. Got a little top on it, and maybe we'll get us a little taste today. And this is be a 1 gallon glass fermenter. As you can see, it's just a bottle of jug wine. And if you want to learn how to get your own cheap and easy kit, there'll be another card coming down there for that. And I'll also be using a 1 gallon auto siphon to siphon from the primary to the secondary. And if you need one of these, there'll be a link in the description below. So let's start with the transfer to primary. So the primary be a little bit lower than your a little bit higher than your secondary, so let's get started. All right, we're going to transfer this coffee mead from our primary to our secondary, which is at our feed. So all it takes is a couple of pumps to get it started. This smells pretty good so far. And while this is pumping, you're going to need yourself an airlock too to go on your secondary. I don't put one on my primary because we like to get oxygen in there. Oxygen during fermentation, good. Oxygen after fermentation, bad. You get vinegar that way. And today we got a very sophisticated piece of equipment called a straw. But they're also known as a wine thief. So once we get it in the primary, I'm going to get me a little bit out to taste. So while this is transferring, we'll be right back. Okay, we've got it transferred to our primary. As you can see, it's still real cloudy, so that's why we age it to let it all the sediment kind of settle to the bottom. And that's why we bulk age, and it gets better with age. So let's get us out a little bit to taste. The color overall is good. It needs to age a little bit. So we got us a couple of little sips. Put the top back on it, and we'll be back to wrap things up. And that's how you rack a coffee mead or any wine to your secondary, from your primary to your secondary, and let it clear. Oh, as you can see, it's still a little cloudy. Ooh, you can really smell. You can really smell the coffee in here. Almost smells like a candy bar. Oh, that's really good. Little hint of coffee to it. Mead coming straight forward. A little bit of honey to it. Really like it. So I'll let it sit in this secondary for up to maybe a year, depending on how long it takes to clear. And I might rack it a few more times to get it off the sediments. So you just use your better judgment. And when it looks good, it probably will taste good. So if you like what you see here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. If you want to support my channel, there'll be Amazon affiliate links in the description below. Even if you don't need any equipment or ingredients, if you use my links to use my links for any any purchases you use on Amazon, I will get a commission on that to help me buy equipment and ingredients. So this is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today.